What were dinosaur immune systems like? How were they different from animals today? The answer: dinosaurs are of course alive today and have pretty great immune systems. Birds are modern dinosaurs, and their immune systems are broadly very similar to mammalian immune systems and work well. If you haven't been paying attention to paleontology for the past 20 years, you may think that birds are modern dinosaurs. Is some actually technical truth that's based on a quibble, like, actually 2 sticks and a rock are technically a computer. No. In every sense, birds are dinosaurs. Many dinosaurs would have looked like birds, albeit 20-foot-long birds with fangs. And there's no reason to believe that modern dinosaur immunity is particularly different from that 100 million years ago. Birds, like mammals, have innate and adaptive immune system, with T and B cells in the adaptive response. B cells make antibodies that are very similar to mammalian antibodies, and antibodies are passed on to their offspring for temporary protection, just as mammals pass on antibodies in their colostrum. There are a number of minor differences between the average bird and the average mammal, but most of those really are actually type differences. Just because one class of bird antibodies is called IgY to mammalian IgG doesn't make a functional difference. There are as many differences between mammal antibodies as between bird and mammals. See camelid antibodies, for example. We can also triangulate. Dinosaurs, mammals, and modern reptiles had common ancestors, so the features that mammals and modern reptiles and modern dinosaurs have in common were presumably present in ancient dinosaurs. Again, this includes virtually everything you'd find familiar in an immune system, including interferons and other cytokines, the same categories of pattern recognition molecules, the same structures for T and B cell receptors, and so on. Very broadly, immunity hasn't changed very much since sharks invented T and B cells 400 million years ago. Of course, the vast number of ancient dinosaurs, existing over 100 million years, must have had variations in their immune system, as we see in the thousands of species of birds and mammals. But essentially, they would be just about the same. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains. And if you have any questions I should answer, just write them down in the comments.